Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Revenue Pro Tips channel. Welcome to this week's Quick Tip Tuesday video of the week. And this week we're talking about affiliate marketing tips. Specifically, this week's tip is to leverage comparison reviews, guys. All right, so there's different ways in which people can deliver content to their audience, right? Whether that's video, blog posts, social media, things like that. And there's different ways once we have our platforms in which you guys are out there creating content to reach your audience. But one of the most effective ways in terms of getting people to not only check out what you have, but to lead to buying decisions where people actually decide to buy and you're making a sale, right, is leveraging reviews. Okay, so for example, if you're somebody in tech and you're more so focused on your audience, your target audience is people in photography and video, right? You might make a review between maybe a photo or video editing software like say Camtasia versus Adobe Premiere Pro, right? And the great thing about this, guys, is it generally leads to sales, okay? Because most people who watch these kind of videos or read this kind of content, in reference to reviews, is that they're generally right on the cusp of making a decision to buy. They're just figuring out exactly which is best for them, right? And these kind of reviews help people make buying decisions, basically. Okay, so what you would want to do is, say again, for my example, Camtasia versus Adobe Premiere Pro, you're going to want to do a review of the two, the benefits, the pros, cons, things of that nature, right? I'm not going to talk about how to make a review, some review content, but this is just an example. And what you would want to do actually, guys, is, and the way you make more money and the way you make more sales, is to become an affiliate of both products in which you're reviewing, or both services, regardless, right? You could be making a review on, hair clippers if you're into barber, right? If you're an affiliate and your target audience is barbers and hairstylists and things of that nature. It could be, there's all kinds of things, right, that we're all affiliates for. So the point is, make sure that you are an affiliate for both products. You don't have to, but it would be great, right? If you're doing like some kind of web hosting services, right, you're going to want to be an affiliate maybe of both services. That way, regardless of which one your viewer or your reader of your content decides to roll with, you make money off of that. All right, so this is a very effective way, again, to reach a target audience, because reviews, comparisons, things of that nature, this is the kind of content that generally gets a lot more traffic, okay? And also with that leads to people buying. All right, so that is it for today's video. Leverage comparison reviews, regardless of the platform, the way you deliver your content does not matter. Get this done, because you will start making and seeing a lot more sales and obviously a lot more money. All right, that is it for this week's Quick Tip Tuesday video of the week. Make sure you're following us. Hit the subscribe button below if you have not done so already, because every single Tuesday we bring you videos just like this to help you make more money. Also, throughout the week, we're bringing you other videos with information, tips, and online-based opportunities for those of you looking to either make some or even additional streams of income. We're doing that every week, so hit the red subscribe button, the bell notification below, next to it as well, and also hit that thumbs up button. Let us know you liked the video and you gotten value from it. With that said, this is Brian, Revenue Pro Tips. We'll see you next week. Peace.